Wall and floor tools. These two are located in Create tab, Geometry, FuturArch with section. With these two tools, we can very quickly create any building construction. First, wall tool. With wall tool, we can draw wall objects very easily, because this tool is fully interactive. You can adjust each individual handle. You can set a lot of options directly through numeric panel or through in the viewport. You can set left, center, right alignment of the wall. Also here with the numeric panel, we can set tangent mode. In this mode, we can adjust ends of the wall object. We can set 2D mode, so the wall object will be just flat polygon. We can set 3D mode back just by clicking into side viewport and setting a handle. We can set width and height of the wall directly in the viewport, in the scene, just by dragging handles, or we can set it with a parameters in a panel. So when holding Ctrl key on your keyboard, you can constrain the ends of the wall to 90 degrees. When you hold constraint key on the handle inside the wall, it is also constraining to 90 degrees. And also you can close on the wall. You can delete last segments with these buttons. You can lock end of the wall, just going to the end point. You can lock it in with this button, and now wall is locked. You can unlock it with another click, and wall is unlocked back. And most important, wall tool can work with real-time booleans. So you can create a wall and then create another wall with a append to selection mode. Just first wall must be selected. Now apply wall second time with append to selection. I will switch to add mode, and now these two wall objects are merged into one wall object, and together with booleans, new single wall object is created. Also important thing about wall is that if you want to use window tool, you have to of course create a wall with FuturArch wall tool. Second is a floor tool. With this tool, we can very quickly create floors and ceilings on existing walls. We just apply on a wall object this tool, and floor or ceiling is automatically created. We can switch between floor mode and ceiling mode. Floor is on the bottom, ceiling goes on the top. We can set offset and thickness of the object also through numeric panel or in viewport. In viewport, you just click left mouse button and dragging mouse up down for thickness, and left right for offset. We can set also 2D mode. In 2D mode there is only one flat polygon. In 3D mode we can control also thickness. With right mouse button we will end the tool or S key, and we can apply this tool very quickly to another wall object, just with clicking mouse button to appropriate wall. Also very useful is a count parameter. With count parameter we can set multi-floor object, multi-floor or multi-ceiling. So when I set now 0.2 thickness on the floor, and we can see this is very nice clean object, because when I drill it with a box tool, in rotate mode, append mode, and now when we drill this object, you can see it's very clean object, multi-floor building. As you can see, very quick way how to create a building construction with wall and floor tool.